Autistic. Have you ever forgotten something really important? Do you struggle with executive function? You're not alone. I've been there, got the t-shirt. In fact, I probably should have a whole closet of t-shirts. Many autistics struggle with this, so here's a few tricks I've learned to bridge the gap and to get things done that need to be done. This is the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to independence. But before the tricks, executive function involves planning, working memory, flexibility, time management, and goals. So here's the tricks. Hack executive function difficulties with the strength of routines. Bridging the gap with executive function brings challenges with autism, but the autistic strength of routine, making and loving routines, can help. Make the decision to start routines that lead to success, and then let the routine take you there. A good decision plus massive action equals success. Get into the routine of planning your day, your week, and your work. Next, use a daily list. I use a list to help remember simple things like brushing my teeth, showering, and eating. There is no shame in using a list so your brain can do other things. Work from paper, not from memory. Make your list. Be the owner of your list. You can tear it up, rewrite it, ignore it. It's your servant, not your master. You are in charge. I'm almost fanatical about the list thing. My friends are tired of hearing about it. But if you have a day without a plan, you will soon have a day without progress. If you want to really win, make the list the night before. Make the list. Some of the fun is checking it off and proving to yourself you are a winner today. Break down the task into smaller segments. Break it down step by step. That gives you clarity. Know why the goals are on your list in the first place. Enough reasons will move you to growth and accomplishment. Sometimes you just have to brain dump. Brain dump to plan and get it all out of your head. Guard against overload. Not everything in your brain dump has to be done. In fact, most of it doesn't. The biggest way to replace executive function is to reduce those things to systems and routines. Good decisions plus the systems and routines to back them are the core of great success. Also have written goals. I don't have time to get into that here, but write your goals down. Next, be honest with your time management. It's best to chronicle exactly what you actually do. Be honest with yourself. And this gives you an honest basis to make changes that you desire in your life. Now go solve it now. If you watch the video this far and you just simply click off it and take no action, you've wasted a few minutes of your time. But if you put these hacks into action, you will gain hours and a habit of action that leads to success. Like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, you were born different to make a difference.